Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video we will learn about English alphabets from A to Z. So, let's start the video. A. A for apple. A P P L E. Apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B A L L. Ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C A T. Cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D O G. Dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. F I S H. Fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. G O A T. Goat. G for goat. H. H for hen. H for hen. H E N. Hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I C E. Ice. C R E A M. Cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J for jug. J U G. Jug. J for jug. K. K for kite. K for kite. K I T E. Kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. 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 L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O for orange. P. P for pig. P for pig. P-I-G. Pig. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. V for vulture. W. W for watch. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X-M-A-S-S. Xmas. T-R-E-E. Tree. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, that's all in today's video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel and share video with others. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.